Oh, baby. Come on. Come on. Do it. Ah. Good boy. Come on.
He says, I've seen one of those inside, but not with water in it. Hey, what a good boy.
Good baby. What a good safe cub. We've got this now, haven't we? Not worried about now.
Oh well. Probably going to like jumping.
He loves jumping. He'll jump anything. In the indoor school, he's a good little jumper. Did you see any of
Alright, come towards me, come towards me. That was quite good. If we can